Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change Epic Games email without verification. So to change it without verification, you typically need to go through the account recovery process, since changing your email directly usually requires access to the old email for verification. So here's how you can attempt to change your email. So first of all, go to the Epic Games account recovery page, contact customer support, scroll down and click on contact us. After that, fill in the form with details such as your current email, the new email you want, and explain that you no longer have access to the old email. After that, provide account details. Support may ask you for some details to verify your identity, and these could include previous transactions, account creation dates, the last time you logged in into your account, and devices or IP addresses you've used to log in. And after that, just wait for the response. Epic Games support may take some time to review your request and will notify you about the steps to complete the email change without verification. And this process is necessary because Epic Games wants to ensure account security and of course prevent unauthorized changes. So this is how you do this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.